Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can increase your level faster on sex.io. You're going to learn how you can be able to level up faster and easier on sex.io. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Guys, let's get started. As you can see right there at the top, I'm on level 7. I just increased my level from level 1 to level 7. So in this video I'm going to be increasing my level from level 7 to level 10 using the same method. So that's what I'm going to show you right here, and it's very easy. Let me go now. Let me tap on the level. Let me tap on it. So guys can see right there I'm on level 7. That's the Ruby miner level. Let me scroll down now to show you guys. You can see it right there. I'm on level 7. You can see level 7. That's the level I am right now. I moved from level 1 to level 7 with just one trick. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I can move from level 7 to level 10 using that same trick. So guys can see I've not gotten to level 10. Level 10 is the vibranium miner level. You can see it right there. For you to get up to that level, you must have mined 1 billion game coin. You can see it right there. But in this video I will show you guys how you can get to level 10 without mining 1 billion game coin. So guys, let me go back now to the work page. Let me tap back. So guys, now you can see I'm back now to the work page. Let me go ahead now to tell you guys the trick on how you can level up faster. The trick is simply just converting your game crypto to game coin. As you can see there, my game coin balance is 542,561. You can see it right there. That's not enough to get to level 10, but I'm going to show you guys how you can get to level 10 real quick. You can see up there, you can see my crypto balance, my game crypto balance is over 9,000. You can see it right there, 9,634. Remember I told you guys the trick is about converting your game crypto to game coin. So what I'm going to do now is to convert some part of that crypto balance to game coin. That 9,600 and something crypto balance, I'll need to convert it to game coin. So let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can convert your game crypto to game coin. And also there is something you have to take note. You can also convert your game coin back to game crypto. So it's a two-way thing. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it right away. So let me go ahead now to tap on convert. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to convert your game crypto to game coin. You can see right there, you can see my game crypto balance. You can see also my game coin balance. So guys, now what I'm going to do now is to impute the amount of game crypto I want to convert to game coin. You can see where it is written from. That means from game crypto to game coin. You can see it right there. So what I need to do now is to impute the amount of game crypto that will amount to 1 billion game coin. So let me go ahead now to impute it to see how many game crypto will give me 1 billion game coin. Once I'm able to get 1 billion, then I'm good to go. So let me do it right away. You can see let me impute 9,500. You can see 9,500 gave me 999 million. Let me make it 9,600. Wow guys, you can see 9,600 game crypto gave me over 1 billion game coin. You can see it right there. So now what I need to do now is to go ahead now to tap on convert, to convert this 9,600 game crypto to 1 billion game coin. So let me go ahead now to tap on convert. Immediately I tap on convert, my level will automatically increase to level 10, which is the vibranium level. To increase from level 7 to level 10, because my balance now is above 1 billion game coins. So guys, that's how it works. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on confirm, and remember, make sure you follow me to the end because there is something else I want to show you. So let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. You can see where it is written convert. So let me tap on convert. So guys, you can see the next step, confirm convert. So what I have to do now is to tap on confirm down there to convert this 9,600 game crypto to this 1 billion game coin. So let me tap on confirm right away. Wow guys, you can see successfully converted. You can see now we have gotten to level 10, which is the final level. You can see it right there, level 10, vibranium miner, level up, great job. Here is how many coins you have earned so far. You can see it right there. I've now earned 1 billion game coins. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on done. So let me tap on done. So guys, now let me go back now to the work page now to see my balance. So guys, now you can see my balance. My balance is above 1 billion coin. You can see it right there, and my crypto balance has reduced. So guys, now you can see right there now my level is level 10. You can see it right there at the top. So this to confirm that I'm now in level 10. You can see it right there, the vibranium miner. You can see now I've gotten to level 10 down there. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can convert this your game coin back to the game crypto. It's very important in case you don't want to leave it at the game coin level. So guys, let me go back now. Let me go to the work page. Then let me tap on where it is written convert. Let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to switch this. As you can see there, it is from game crypto to game coin. You have to switch it so that it can be from game coin to game crypto. So you can do that by tapping on that switch icon. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has been switched. So now the next step we have to take now is to impute the amount of game coin that you want to convert to game crypto. So let me go ahead now to impute 1 billion game coin. Let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've imputed 1 billion game coin, and as you can see there, is going to give me about 9,500 game crypto. So what I simply have to do now is to tap on convert. So let me tap on convert. Then what I need to do now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm. You can see now successfully converted. Now I've converted the game coin now to back to game crypto. So let me go now to the work page now to see if my balance has increased. You can see now my crypto balance has increased while my game coin balance has reduced. Now my game coin balance is 10 million. Remember, it used to be 1 billion, but because I converted just 1 billion back to the game crypto, so I have a balance of 10 million. So guys, now you can see now this is how you can be able to increase your level, and as you can see there, my level is still at level 10, which is the vibranium level. So guys, this is how you can be able to increase your level on sex.io very fast and quickly. And I've come to the end of this video. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.